Maria, heading up to Waterfall, Reservoir, and the top of Flagstaff. The site of the former Maria. It's a nice morning. Rained a lot last night, so I've never been in this area. I have no idea what the track's like or anything. So it's going to be fun. It's going to be an adventure, seeing something different. Never been to Dunedin. Been through it twice, I think, about 20 years ago. But never been in Dunedin. Don't know what the landscape's like really. I'm looking forward to it. Kind of rushing water. Okay, that's what I'm looking for. Reservoir track for a start. The waterfall view. Oh, it's very close to the... Now, I think I have to go and cross that stream again to get to my next destination, which will be the reservoir. Crossing the creek, this here get to my hat stuck on the tree. So busy watching my footing, I forgot to wash my head. Way I came, just this one. This must be the sculpture, all from water. You see all the little stars. See all the stairs. That's the beginning. It's someone who has done almost no walking for the last couple of months. And what I've done has been flat and short. Today's going to be a good challenge. My grand plan, come from down here, past the waterfall, up here. I want to find my way to about there, so that I can go further up into Flagstaff. Further up into Flagstaff. That's really good. Like that. Okay, it looks like I've got a glitch. It's the track I want to take. is closed. That's very poor timing. I'll go this way and see if I can figure it out. A little ruin. That's the track I couldn't go down. Apparently there's a tree down over it. Okay, I've been to a little ruin. Saw the mackerel cover hedge. I don't know about cobbled road. I must have walked past it without noticing. Anyway, if you're interested, maybe you can freeze the video and have a go at reading that through the muck. Okay, I'm leaving Ross Track, and I think I'm going up where all those cars are parked. Alright, there's the view from Pineapple Point. Okay, back on the main track, heading up there. Lots of options, but my plan, Flagstaff Summit, another 45 minutes. I'll go that way. I don't know Dunedin, so I don't want to try pointing out landmarks. I'd possibly put you completely wrong, but it's a lovely view. but I am not at the summit yet. You see the figures on the hill over there? That's where I'm going. Okay, this was my goal. The summit, Flagstaff. We're going to have a break here, have my lunch, and then head back. Very careful. 360. That's fabulous. Alright, I'm on the way back. Okay, I came from that pathway straight ahead, but on the map it looks like it offers a loop, taking in a bit of the swampy track. So I'm going to check it out. Got plenty of time, so yeah, seems like an interesting idea. Okay, I'll go this way because it's the general direction I want to go in. Okay, been here before, and now I'm heading down. I've been here before. This is where you turned to go up to Flagstaff Summit. Now I'm going towards Booth Road. Okay, this is the steep section, or a bit of it. It's much more enjoyable going down. Quicker too. Okay, that's the walking track I came along to go up to the summit. So now I'm going to try this alternative and see what I see. Well, that's Pineapple Track finished, and Flagstaff. I'm heading back to the Ross Creek Reservoir, the reservoir, and okay, taking a detour to what I hope will be the side of the reservoir that I didn't walk earlier.